Hey everyone, 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrigrano here with a Weather Now update for you on this Monday morning. And boy, is it cold out there this morning. A big difference from the past few days. The winds are gusty. It's just a very cold start out there. And we have temperatures in the 20s and 30s. So here's Newport. We have the gusty winds out there. They're gusting as high as about 35 miles per hour this morning. Looking outside Narragansett, the flag's blowing in the wind. So again, it is a blustery, cold start to our work week here. Temperatures right now, like I mentioned, upper 20s to lower 30s in spots. So it's cold out there, but it's not overly cold in terms of January standards. So again, but the feels like temperatures, that's where it gets you when you factor in the wind and, of course, the dry air. And this is what it feels like. So yeah, it feels more like 14 in Smithfield, feels like 19 in Newport, and 16 is what it feels like in New Bedford. With those strong northwest winds, it's ushering in that colder, drier air for our Monday. Current wind gusts, this video is as of about 4 a.m. or so, so of course these will be changing throughout the morning, but generally speaking as high as about 30, 35 miles per hour, and then, maybe not quite as strong at times, but still gusty, cold, dry, that's the theme for your Monday. Satellite radars, quiet, clear skies, as we're looking at that, drier conditions taking on over. So weather setup is pretty quiet for your Monday, just again very windy and cold. As we go through the hour-by-hour forecast here, we can take a look at the temperatures for the afternoon. 2 p.m. only topping out mid and upper 30s. So that's it for high temperatures. Again, when you factor in that wind, it'll feel a lot colder. We have gusts anywhere from 25 even 30 miles per hour today. And again, looking at bright sunshine. So for tonight, we'll stay dry and quiet, clear skies. It'll be still gusty and it'll make it feel colder at times with those temperatures back in the 30s, but it'll feel more like the low to mid 20s overnight and especially into that early morning on Tuesday. The good news about Tuesday is not as chilly by a few degrees. I think we're about 5 degrees warmer for Tuesday than we are for Monday. Less wind as well, and that'll be a big difference, of course, in the feel of the day when the wind isn't as strong. Clouds want to increase, though, for Tuesday night. We should stay cool and dry or chilly and dry. Wind southwest about 5 to 10. And then as we go into Wednesday morning, notice there's that little area of precipitation tracking on in. This looks to be, by the time it gets to our area, it'll be in the form of rain. And it looks to be during the early morning hours, some passing showers are possible. Not really a huge deal, but that is our next chance of any precipitation coming our way. Of course, would be early Wednesday. For today, sunshine, cold, gusty temperatures in the mid and upper 30s, gusts as high as 25, even 30 miles per hour. As we go into tonight, those winds should slowly subside a little bit, but it'll be gusty at times overnight too. Temperatures in the 20s. And then as we go into your 3-day forecast here, again, highlighting Tuesday, a few degrees warmer. And then Wednesday, we have that spot shower chance during the morning hours and pretty much during the first half of the day. A shower or two cannot be ruled out. Temperatures about 45 degrees. As we go into Thursday and Friday, of course, it's not pictured here. We are looking at a potential system to bring us some kind of rain and snow shower activity. A lot of the guidance right now is not sold on a big storm. So that would be, of course, good news. But we're going to keep watching that time frame, Thursday to Friday, just to kind of see if anything changes over the next couple of days. But as of now, it doesn't look like anything major happens this week for southern New England. So that would be, of course, great news as we go through the next several days. But that's a check of your forecast. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy your Monday, and definitely stay warm today.